Namaskaram. In today's class, we will discuss some more sample questions from text files. We will continue with word processing. Question: a text file named contents.txt contains some text. Write a user-defined function, long words, which displays all such words of the file whose length is more than 9 alphabets. Read the question carefully. It is given as 9 alphabets, not 9 characters. Okay, this question is from CBSE 2019 question paper. We will solve it. Function long words. Open the file contents.txt in read mode. No need to specify the file mode because it is read mode. Then read the content of the file using a read function. Text equal to f.read. Read function will read the entire content of the file and return a string. It is stored in variable text. Then we are going to process words. So we need to split that file content into words. That is that string into words. Variable name words equal to text dot split. Okay. Now the variable words contains a list of words. Then we have to traverse through the list. For w in words, select one element, that is one word from the words list, and store in variable w in each iteration. Okay. Then we will process that word to get the desired output. Question is to display the words of the file whose length is more than 9 alphabets. So at first we have to check whether the word contains only alphabets. For that we have the function called isAlpha. So checking if w dot isAlpha, if it is alphabet, then what you have to check? Whether the length is greater than 9. Okay. If it is alphabet, if len of w, that is length of that word, if it is greater than 9, print it. Okay. Then close the file. F dot close. Okay, once again the checking. If w dot isAlpha is to check whether the word contains only alphabets. This function isAlpha will return true if the string contains only alphabets. Okay. It is not like this. If the string contains alphabets, it is if it contains only alphabets. No other characters including space, dot, other special characters, etc. So this statement w dot isAlpha will return true if the word in w contains only alphabets. Then we will check if the length of that word is greater than 9. If it is greater than 9, print it. Clear? Then if the question is just like this, whose length is more than 9 characters, then no need of this checking w dot isAlpha. You can simply use if len of w greater than 9, print w. Okay. Next question, similar question. Write function definition for word for char to read the content of a text file fun.txt and display all those words which has 4 characters in it. This question is from CBSE 2016 question paper. I will just show you the program. Everything is same as our last program. But see here the checking is if len of word double equal to 4. That is if the length of the word is exactly 4 characters. Here you have to use double equal to itself. Double equal to is comparison operator or relational operator. Don't use equal to. Okay. We will discuss some more sample questions from text files in our next class. Thank you.